Hello and welcome to Dataczar. Today I'm going to show you how to change the look of your website at connect.dataczar.com. So let's go to dataczar.com. We're going to click the login button. And we're already logged in. That's going to take us to dashboard on the main menu. To change the look of your website and to work on your website, you click on the website button. This has all the editing tools for pages and posts. These are page templates. This is the theme we're going to be working with quite a bit today, and also settings. Let's look at our AAA Outdoor Scenes website. This is the website we're working with today. This is the main theme. It's just a white background with the black style lettering. Very clean looking. And we created this blog post. And the blog post is how to change the look of your website. And there's some really good stuff on this post. And actually, just so I don't forget, to find the written instructions, you're going to go to help.dataczar.com. You're going to click on Website Helps, and that's where you're going to find all this that we're looking at right now. So here's some reasons. You might want to personalize the look or appearance of your website, or you want to give your website a makeover and have it fit better with your branding. A couple reasons. We're going to go over adjusting your theme, and here's some suggested themes that we have written down. And we're going to go over adding a logo. We're going to go over adding a background image. And then also we have listed themes where it affects them by adding the background image. And then also adding a slider image gallery. And again, there's a list of themes that are affected by adding a slider image gallery. Actually, all themes are, but then these are themes where it's more edge to edge on the slider gallery. A more dramatic effect. We have some of those listed. And again, if you watch this video on our help site at help.dataczar.com and go to the tutorial, underneath the tutorial you'll find these written instructions. Let's tab back over. So the first thing we want to do is adjust the theme. We're going to click on the theme button, and that was the main theme. So let's choose dark and stormy, and we'll tab back over to the website and we'll refresh. And then there it is. There's dark and stormy. Gives it a totally different look. Let's go ahead and look at it on the home page. Gives it a totally different look. Tab back over. We're going to be doing a lot of tabbing back over today. I'll go through this fairly quickly. Let's just look at one more real quick. Itsy. And tab back over. We'll refresh. And there's Itsy. It has like whatever page you're on. Actually on the home page, it lists home right here. I like that kind of a cool feature. Okay, let's tab back over and let's move forward. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add a background image and a logo. So first of all, to add the background image, you just scroll down here to the bottom of your themes and you click on Advanced, and then you choose your background image. You can upload it, or you can, if you already have it uploaded, you can go to My Images. We already have ours uploaded. We're going to use this one. And we can actually add the logo here, but I want to show you another place you can add the logo. Oops. Before I do that, click Update. And then you can also add the logo under Settings. So we're going to choose the logo. We already have it uploaded, so we're going to go to My Images. And we're going to use this one here. And click Update. So we added the background image. We added the logo. Let's tab back over. There's certain themes that are affected. Let's go ahead and refresh this. And this theme here, as you can see, is not affected by the background image. So let's go ahead and make sure you reference those themes on the written instructions that I mentioned. But let's look at a couple different themes. We're going to look at Cyborg. And then we'll tab back over. Refresh. And you can see that Cyborg is in the background behind the website block. That's a cool feature. Let's tab back over, and then dark and stormy. tab back over, you'll see how this is really affected. And this is great. If you put a solid background behind here, it would be really cool. So you could have like a solid blue background on your website, something like that. So you just put a solid background image. And then let's tab back over. And let's look at one more. Helios, where's it at? Here it is. Choose theme. And we'll tab back over. We'll refresh. And it shows up here on the header. And then there's some other ones where it shows on the footer down here with the background image, but this one it shows on the header. You can see how it really dramatically adjusts the look of your website. So that is adding a logo, adding a background image. The next thing that we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and add an image gallery to our home page. So we're going to click on Pages. We're back on Connect, back on the website button. Click on Pages. And we're going to edit our home page. Click the Edit button to the right of the home page. Gallery section. We're going to check this. It's normally unchecked, so you'll check it, and then you're going to add some items. So we're going to add an item, and delete. What we're going to do is, first of all, let me back up. So you check Gallery. First thing you do is you choose your image. So click on the Choose. You can upload it, or you can go to My Images. We already have it uploaded. And we're going to use El Capitan. And then scroll back up. You can click Add Item. So that's been added. Next image we're going to choose. Go to My Images. This one of the cat. And then you can add a title and a description. We're not going to do that. We're just going to click Add Item. And those have both been added. So now we scroll down and we click Update. Now we added the image slider gallery, and we're going to look at 3 themes. We're going to look at Service, App, and Earth. So let's go to our theme, and let's go ahead and start with App. Go back to the website, and we're going to refresh. And there it is. You can see how it really dramatically affects the look of your website. The slider image gallery shows right up top. And this one's pretty much edge to edge. You can do a single image or a double image. Some work better with 2 than with 1. And I have those listed on the written instructions as well. So let's tab back over. And let's try Earth. Choose Theme. We'll tab back over. Refresh. There it goes. And then, so this is Earth. On Earth, I like how the blog posts show too. But on the home page, we have the slider image gallery. And by the way, you can add the slider image gallery to any page. We could have added it to the home page too, just as easily. So that's also good to know. But it really affects the way your website looks. And then let's go ahead and tab back over. And let's look real quick at Service. So we'll choose Service. Tab back over. Let's refresh the page. And there's Service. By the way, Service also shows the background image as well down here on the footer. So that would really affect Service as well. Let's tab back over to Connect. And the other thing that you can do is you can add a blog to your home page. Some people just have a single page website, which is a home page. So if you're one of those people and you want to make sure your blog post shows on your home page, just go to Home Page, click the Edit button, scroll down to the bottom, check Include Posts. So this is on the editor screen. Click Update, and then now it's showing. Now the posts are showing on the home page. So we'll tab back over, we'll refresh, and if we scroll down, you'll see that the blog posts show here on service. They are laid out a little bit differently. And that's also a good point too, is that depending on your theme, the blog posts will be laid out differently. So let's tab back over to Connect. One other thing I want to show you is on the Help button, you can get to our Help Center. Just click on Help Center, and that takes you to help.dataczar.com. And as I mentioned, click on Website Help, and you're going to find this tutorial, how to change the look of your website, or it'll be called just Change the Look of Your Website. And underneath, oh, here it is. This is the old version. There's going to be a new version, but when you click on it, you're going to find the written instructions. So let's tab back over, go back to Dashboard, and that's it. That's how to change the look of your website with Dataczar Connect.